Ayy, so boom. Ayy, 50 mag inside the back truck, bitch, I'm finna work that wheel. Youngin' came a long way, now on the freshest out the field. And all these hoes are really green as fuck, they poppin' out like pills. And I just rock this shorter word, I think that little hoe got the feel. And I just rolled a fat that blunt, so you know I'm finna face it. I told them folks I really made it, so I cannot let them take it. And I been trippin' off the cook, that perk shit, it got me faded. Yeah, y'all pussies claim y'all bout that life, that make a statement. That boy, he should sleepin' in the basement. If you talk high, we might just knock him off the pavement. I hop up on the beat and they gon' listen like I'm praying. Hold on. 50 mag inside the black truck, bitch, I'm finna work the wheel. Young nigga came a long way, now on the freshest out the field. All these hoes really green, they poppin' out just like some pill. I done rock that little hoe word, I think that little hoe got the feel. I know some bros, we gon' work that block for we pin in the park. And I was aiming at his tummy, he done ducked to hit his top. She told me that she wanna fuck, but I can't go, just give me slot. We really wicked, fuck on sweet, bring out the mop. Pussy boy play like that glove. Yeah, let's see who come out on top. They do it, bitches, you tryna fuck or not? I ain't with that throwing shots. She tried to suck me on the spot, that's how I know she a thot. You can't put me through no pain, cause I been through a lot, I been through a lot. 50 mag inside the blood truck, bitch, I'm finna work the wheel. A nigga came a long way, now on the freshest out the field. All these hoes really green, they poppin' out just like some pills. I done rock the shot world, now they don't got the feels.